We want to find all real numbers that satisfy this equation. So notice it says all real numbers. There's no 0 to 2 pi thing, so we've got to be able to have a way to list that would cover any coterminal angle as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate the trig function. So I'll subtract 1 from both sides and then I'll divide by 2. So I'm going to have cosine 2x equal minus 1 over 2. Now the next thing to note is this is a 2x. Let's call that theta for a minute, and let's think about what angles theta have a cosine that's negative 1/2. So I'm going to think of the unit circle. When is the cosine negative? And we know it's positive here, and cosine's the x value, so it's negative here and it's negative here. So we need answers that are going to be in quadrants 2 or 3. And we want to know when the cosine is negative 1/2. The cosine is the x value, so smaller x, bigger y would give me an angle here, and then down there in quadrant 3 like this. So this would be when theta was 2 pi thirds, or another possibility is that other quadrant, 4 pi thirds. Now, because it says all real numbers, we need to add all multiples of loops around the circle positively or negatively, and plus 2 pi k will do that. If k is 0, you get the 2 pi thirds. If it's negative, you loop around the negative way. If it's a positive k, you loop around the positive way 1 or 2 or 3 times whatever k you put in. We need to do that also here. Now, after I get those, that would be the answer had it been cosine theta and it was just a theta. It wasn't, it was 2x. Or if it would have been cosine x, x would have equaled this. But it's 2x, so we need to think about what if there was a 2x in front and what I would do to solve for x. So if there was a 2x in front, to solve for x I would need to divide everything by 2. I've got this little theta in the middle, but so this would have to be divided by 2, this would have to be divided by 2, and same with on this equation. So we don't need to put the theta part. So this looks like these 2's would cancel. This is going to give me pi thirds plus pi k, because you have to also divide this 2 pi k by that 2. Alright, so that will give me one set of answers, and then doing the same thing with this second piece down here, it looks like I'm going to get 2 will go into 4 2 times, so I'm going to get 2 pi thirds, and then these 2's will cancel here, plus pi k. So all answers would be given by pi thirds plus pi k or 2 pi thirds plus pi k.